Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the nitrogen metabolism, right? Actually nitrogen, it is there in 78% into our atmosphere, but when it comes to the plant utilization, we are here to discuss on the respect of the plant, because nitrogen is the essential elements which is there into their nutrients. So how they are going to use those nitrogen, and what is the terms and conditions that we are going to discuss. So basically this topic is metabolism of nitrogen or nitrogen metabolism, right? Since the nitrogen, it is the fourth most prevalent element, right? Means important element for any of the living organism, forget about the plant, right? So that's what it become very important. So what is the available, when we talk about the availability of the nitrogen from the soil is limited, because ultimately the plants, they are going to get the particular nitrogen from the soil only, because the roots and other thing nutrient, they are getting it from the soil, right? So this availability, it is limited. That's what the availability of the nitrogen into the soil, it is limited. Then how they are going to get the nitrogen, since it is the fourth most important element? 78% nitrogen gas in atmosphere, right? The total percentage of the gas which is there in our atmosphere, if you see that 78%, it's a very great percentage actually, which is there into the nitrogen. But the condition, the plants cannot directly absorb it. The plant cannot use that 70%, 78% of the nitrogen. It has to pass through the certain mechanism, certain process, certain stage, then only it will be useful for the plant. That only we are discussing here, right? Through nitrogen cycle. So that's what we need to understand, nitrogen cycle, what happened actually into the environment, so that they will be able to use, right? So here you can see into the nitrogen cycle, this is the atmospheric nitrogen, right? Here this 78% of nitrogen, it is here, right? So this the atmospheric nitrogen, it is going to have the fixation, certain types of fixation. That's what the particular cycle, it is divided into the two pool, reservoir pool and cycling pool, right? So let us understand here in the reservoir pool, that is called atmosphere, this one, okay? So here nitrogen obtained from this particular reservoir pool through nitrogen fixation, electrochemical fixation, photochemical fixation, industrial fixation and biological fixation. These four types of fixation, this nitrogen, it will be obtained from the reservoir or from the atmosphere, okay? Then this reservoir pool is replaced through the denitrification. Again, after having these particular steps, it will become as a nitrate, and nitrate can be useful for the plant. Then it will go to the denitrification, and again after denitrification it will release to the what you call atmosphere. That's what it is telling. Release the nitrogen through decaying organic matter. Here also decomposition, from the decomposition ultimately it will release here, okay? So what is happening here, two things it is happening. Cycling pool means whatever in lithosphere, the cycling pool, the ammonification and nitrification, these two mechanism it is going on. In ammonification, ammonia is forming, and in nitrification, nitrate is forming, which is actually useful for the plant absorption, and plant can use this one after having this mechanism, right? So let us understand in the particular cycle, this nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, by this particular fixation, different types of in industrial fixation will be there. By the biological material, they are also going to fix the nitrogen photochemical. So after this fixation, it becomes nitrate. After this process, this fixation, it becomes nitrate, which will be there into the atmosphere or into the soil. From there the plant can use. From industrial fixation, it will become ammonia, and ammonia also can be used, and ammonia will become nitrate, and nitrate can be used by the plant, like that, okay? After biological fixation, it will not going to convert directly here. It will go to the prokaryotic protein and amino acids, because these are the living cells, living organisms, okay? Then it will go to the death excretion. After their death, then it will decompose, then ammonia, then nitrate. And the same way it will go to the symbiosis, and symbiosis is connected to the plant protein, and the from plant protein, death excretion and decomposition, like that it will go, okay? So like that it will this cycle, it will from plant absorption, here it will go to the plant proteins to any death excretion, and from death excretion again decomposition to ammonia can be used by the plant, or it can convert into the nitrate, and like that. Okay, this leaching also it will happen, it will leach, then it will go to for the sediment and again nitrate. Ultimately by denitrification again this nitrogen will be released to the atmosphere. So these particular cycling, it will be go on continuously, and from here only the plants are going to get in the form of nitrate. That's what here it has told. Plant obtain nitrogen in the form of nitrate, nitrite and ammonia, right? In this form only they are going to absorb, and they can use that nitrogen as a part of their nutrient, and they can have the growth and development, right? So that's what nitrogen, it becomes very important when it comes to the plant use, right? So this can be help you students. Thank you.